Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we talk about Gemie GEM Token. This token gets listed on KuCoin exchange and this is a world premium token. What is world premium token? World premium means all over world can trade this token on KuCoin exchange. So I'm going to click on this token and I'm going to tell you about its trading time on KuCoin exchange. KuCoin will list this token. The KuCoin is first exchange where this token will be listed. You can get this token on KuCoin exchange by watching my video and watching my method. First of all, if we talk about its deposit effectively immediately you can deposit now. Network is ERC20 yani Ethereum blockchain. If we talk about trading, its trading will be start on 10 on 11 October on UTC time. You can trade on this time in this token. If we talk about withdraw will be start on 10 on 12 October on UTC time. Here is total supply, market supply and coin market cap price. Total 2,76,000 USDT in this token. If we talk about its issue price is 0.05 USDT. If we talk about what is Gemie GEM Token, GEM is an Asian entertainment focused metaverse platform and NFT platform that built around fan cultures. It serves as both as visual hub or celebrations in the metaverse. You can buy this token on KuCoin exchange after listing on KuCoin exchange, and this is the virtual fan club of their fans. In Gemie, fans can attend virtual events and collect utility focused by NFTs on their favorite celebrations and also create NFTs and expensives to earn rewards by selling their NFTs. Here is official website link. You can redirect this link into Chrome browser and this is the website gemie.io, its domain name. Asian Landing Entertainment Metaverse is the first its heading. You can also see this setting and read this setting. This is the metaverse tokens and metaverse NFTs. You can earn massive earning by creating expensive NFTs on these projects. If you interested in this token investing, you need to wait after listing on KuCoin exchange. You can easily trade in this token and buying this token. I am not your financial advisor. I am telling about that token, what is Gemie token and what is the listing time. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.